my body aching, I feel like I'm breaking, and I know it all too well. Got another new day, still I'm feeling misplaced.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Tania TSN here, and today I'm showing you how I treat my hair after I take off my fitting braids. So first of all, I'm gonna do a clay mask on my hair pre-shampoo, just to really take off any grease or dirt that is on my roots. So I'm mostly gonna apply it to my roots because this is really gonna clear my scalp, but also my roots where my hair was mostly braided. Once I apply the mask to all of my hair, I'm simply gonna go ahead and wash my hair with some Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner. And like always, all products that I'll be using in this video is listed down below. And so now I'm gonna be using the Curl and Style Milk from Shea Moisture again. That's gonna be helping me to really do my second protective hairstyle, and I'm also gonna be using the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power treatment from Shea Moisture as well. So first of all, I'm gonna put the curl and milk all over my hair, really just to protect my hair, but also to really hydrate them. And then I'm going to put my hair into smaller sections, and I'm simply going to use the protein treatment from Shea Moisture a little bit by a little bit, and I'm going to just brush it through my hair with my diamond brush, and then I'm going to be starting twisting my sections. Also, I'm very curious to know about your hair routine, about how do you take care of your hair after you did a long protective hairstyle. So don't forget to mention that down below in the comment section. And so as you can see, some of my twists, you can see that there is a lot of product, and you can actually see the white of the product getting out of it. I'm actually not going to take it off or trying to take it off with a towel or something. I'm just going to leave it on just to make sure that my hair really recover and absorb most of the lotion. And so here I'm just done doing all the twists that I wanted to do. And so I'm simply gonna go ahead and put a satin scarf on my head and go to sleep with my Tania TSN hair bonnet. And so here you can see that this is the next day, the next morning, and you can see that my hair are almost fully dry. As you can see, they're pretty flat, the front ones, because I slept on my side, but it's okay, and they're fully dry. I was just checking if they are, and I'm gonna be starting to take off my twists. And so now what I will do is just take off those twists. So now that major sections are taken off, I'm going to be using my Queen Natural Oil and I'm going to be putting it on my fingers to simply not detangle but really separate the curls so that I have smaller sections and smaller curls. And so while I'm doing that, I'm simply going to style my hair too on the side, and I'm going to be using this Queen hairpin that I will also put down below in the description box for you to get the same as I did, because we are all queens. And so here is this final result. I'm really pleasant with the result. I really like my hair like that, and I'm really thinking that I'm gonna be keeping this hairstyle for a long time. And I also wanted to show you an alternative because I know some people don't like side parts, but I also do the middle part. So like, I really wanted to show you the versatile side of this twist out. Don't forget to tell me which side do you prefer on me in the comment sections. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
I keep going down, down, down.